Today's economic climate raises concern for many businesses, and investment decisions can be quite tricky. Can design perhaps unlock new possibilities? Welcome to Capgemini Invent Talks. I am Bianca, and I am here with Carla, Director of Design at Frog Netherlands, to share some perspective. Welcome, Carla.
Thank you.
So what about these uncertain times? What can they trigger?
Well, the risk I see in the current climate, economic climate that is not very welcoming at the moment is that companies and organizations rely too much on operations, missing the possibility to take more systemic decisions. What I mean by that is actually take a step back and look at the whole ecosystem around the internal and external part of the organization and connect them together.
Sounds wise, but how exactly do we take these systemic decisions?
Yes, I like to compare economic cycles to seasons. So if we look at the current time, this looks very much like winter. So there is not much enthusiasm on the market and it's a period of little growth. Now we can look at this period in isolation and be sad about it, or we can zoom out, look at the whole ecosystem and how nature works, for example. So winter is a period of recharge and preparation of assets that are going to be presented in spring, used to the fullest in summer, and then run to a more standard pace in fall. So that's what I mean by systemic decisions that actually connect the whole ecosystem to the present.
Very interesting, and I love it how you visualize this in relation to the season cycle. I think it helps us all understand the systemic perspective better. So how does Frog come into play here? And what about design? How do these enable this shift in perspective?
Yes, companies today, as I said, have to do more than just put new products and services out there. That's what I mean by operations. They also need to rethink the way they work and the way they innovate. And to help our client do this shift, we focus our attention on other two assets, customers and employees. So organizations that revolve around the customers, they benefit from greater internal alignment, better customer relationship, and ultimately more loyalty. While organizations that also empower their workforce work in better and more agile ways and also have employee force that is a lot more motivated. And we know how today it is important for employees to be motivated and they can really be a force for change within an organization. So that's a little bit of the journey we take our clients to help them really think in a systemic way and make the best investments in this moment of winter as this one. So shift their priorities and their focus from immediate profit to long-lasting growth.
True. A very interesting journey you're taking your clients and employees on, and so much value in this systemic perspective. Thank you. And thank you for watching. Please reach out to Carla for more wisdom on systemic thinking, and we'll see you for the next episode of Capgemini Invent Talks.